Have you ever wondered why some cars have a MAP sensor while others have a MAF sensor? Are they the same, or do they perform completely different jobs? This is one of the most common questions asked by car owners and beginner mechanics. Although both sensors help the ECU calculate the correct air-fuel mixture, they measure different things and work in completely different ways. Some vehicles use only a MAP sensor, some use only a MAF sensor, and many modern vehicles use both together for better accuracy. The MAF sensor stands for Mass Airflow Sensor. Its job is to directly measure the actual mass of air entering the engine. Most modern MAF sensors use a heated wire or heated film. As air flows across the element, it cools it down. The ECU measures how much electrical current is needed to keep the element at the correct temperature, and from this, it calculates the amount of air entering the engine. The MAP sensor stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. Unlike the MAF sensor, it does not measure airflow directly. Instead, it measures the pressure or vacuum inside the intake manifold. The ECU combines this pressure reading with engine speed, intake, air temperature, and other data to calculate how much air is entering the engine. This strategy is commonly known as speed density. The location of these sensors is also different. The MAF sensor is usually installed between the air filter box and the throttle body. The MAP sensor is usually mounted directly on the intake manifold, or very close to it. Think of it this way. The MAF sensor counts the amount of air entering the engine directly. The MAP sensor measures intake manifold pressure and lets the ECU calculate the airflow indirectly. Both methods work well, but they use different strategies. Many people ask which sensor is better. The answer is neither. A MAF sensor generally provides a direct airflow measurement, while a MAP sensor is often simpler and is well suited to engines using a speed density strategy. Many manufacturers use both sensors together to improve fuel control, engine performance, and emissions.